nag-prepared surprise para YP meeting sa church in Diplahan District in Balangao.
Who is the first love of Jacob at the name is what? A. Rachel. B. Raquel. C. Rachel.
Bible recitation.
Malakay, Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Acts, Romans, Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, Thessalonians, Timothy, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, James, Peter, 1 and 3 Revelation.
Okay, next.